Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube video. In today's video, I'll teach you how to create your own 3D animation movie with AI. Today we will use Quaky AI. It's an AI based online animation maker tool. Click on Ready Player Me Character Maker. Here choose your body type. I'll be creating a female character, so I'll choose feminine. Click on Continue with the photo. Select your avatar. Click on Next. Here you can customize your character. I'll change the skin tone. Once you have customized your character, click on Next and save your avatar. Now, we'll go to Quaky AI 3D Animation Editor. On the left of the page, you will find some tools. By using these tools, you can make your video. From here, you can change your avatar. This is the avatar we made. I have edited my video. I'll show you.
Hi there. I just wanted to say if you enjoy this content, please remember to like and subscribe. Your support really helps me reach more people and motivates me to create more videos like this. So,
Then click on Record.
hi there. I just wanted to say amazing
Then
community.
click on
Hi
this
there.
download
I
button.
just wanted to say if you enjoy this content, please remember to like and subscribe.
This is how you can create a 3D animation movie. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.